Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at ellipses. So we're in section 9.2 of our textbook. All right, so I want to show you a couple different parts of an ellipse. Maybe you've worked with them before, or maybe this is the first time you're seeing them. So I want to go over some vocabulary. So an ellipse is basically an oval, right? It's not perfect like a circle, right? A circle from the center has the same radius all the way around. That's not true for an ellipse. All right, so let's talk about the different parts of an ellipse. An ellipse still has a center, so in the very middle, we have a center which we still use HK for. And then there are two axes. The longer one is going to be called the major axis. All right, and the shorter one, which in this case is this one, is the minor axis. If you had an oval that was long vertically, then the y or the vertical axis would be the major, and then because the oval would be shorter horizontally, the horizontal one would be the minor. So please don't associate the x-axis with the major and the y-axis with the minor. It can go either way depending on the actual ellipse. Now, when we identify the major axis, so in this case it's the horizontal, the endpoints of the major axis are called, each one of those is a vertex, right? So plural, they would be called the vertices, all right? The other important thing, which is not labeled here, is that on the minor axis, we also have these coordinates. Those are not called vertices. Vertices only belong to the major axis. So we call these 2 points the co-vertices, all right? And an ellipse also does have a focus, but there are two. So the plural of focus would be foci. So we have 2 foci, and it's not labeled here, and we're not going to go crazy into the focus of, or the foci of an ellipse, but please know that there are 2 points in an ellipse. Each one is a focus, and it's always inside the ellipse. All right, we're going to see some things that are a little bit different with some other conic shapes that we're going to look at where the focus is actually outside. All right, so I'm going to post a video for you to see what the importance of the foci are for ellipses, and I think you'll enjoy just seeing that.